Hey, listen, can I play your piano?
Yeah, go ahead. It's a family heirloom.
I make a date for golf, and you can bet your life it rains. I try to give a party, and the guy upstairs complains. I guess I'll go through life just catching colds and missing trains. Everything happens to me. I never miss a thing. I've had the measles and the mumps, and every time I lay an ace, my partner always trumps. I guess I'm just a fool who never looks before he jumps. Oh, everything happens to me. At first I thought that you could break this jinx for me, and that love would turn the trick to end despair. But now I just can't fool this head that thinks for me. So I've mortgaged all my castles in the air. Whoa, I've telegraphed and phoned, sent an airmail special too. Your answer was goodbye. There was even postage due. I fell in love just once, and then it had to be with you. Everything happens to me.
That's pretty.
I love a cocktail lounge piano. Outside a drizzle, gray, New York City enveloped in a light mist. Two lovers have a date to meet at 6 o'clock.
At Grand Central Station, under the clock, like in the movie.
I love that movie, but I see it outside.
At the East River, where the tugboats are on the water. I love tugboats.
Almost. You're in the right ballpark.
I know. Under the clock.
Which clock?
The Delacorte clock, where all the animals go around in Central Park.
I love it. It's a very old movie.
My mom and I used to watch old movies together all the time. She would study the decor. I don't know, they're so fabulously escapist.
In my version, he's waiting, the music plays, and she never comes. Or she's waiting, and he chooses the other woman.
Can't they just kiss in the rain? That sounds pretty good to me, even if it is commercial.
Picture yourself.
Okay.
It's 1 minute to 6. You're pacing up and down. Raindrops are just starting to fall. You're at your Delacorte clock in Central Park, expecting your dermatologist, but he's just diagnosed a carcinoma in his own lip. It's metastasizing as you wait.
All right, well, you give me a break. In my version, everything's fine. He meets me, holds me, kisses me. It's lovely. Nobody needs a biopsy.